The farewell of SMP in 2017, where I was given the choice to continue my education between two, namely vocational school One Tanjung Pinang and Mas Fatahillah Tarimfa. I prefer to enter Mas Fatahillah Tarimfa because it's close to my house, save gas, save money, and it is the right choice in my opinion. After entering Mas, I felt that the school did not suit me, which made me want to move. Various methods have been used to transfer from school, but cannot because public school do not expect transfer students from private school. The reason I want to move is because the school doesn't support extracurricular student. It's different from when I was in junior high school, where teachers supported their student to take part in events, both academic and non-academic, and the teacher is willing to ask him to come to his house to teach and give tips so that we can offer the best version. Finally, I gave up and successfully entered Mass. Even though at Mass, I still try to give the best result so that the result don't betray my effort. In Mass, for 3 years, I have learned a lot: how to speak in front, how to lead our own organization, and whatever it is we are recruited to be independent. And self-study for me is a useful lesson for me. And I'm burdened again with the choices that determine my future. Honestly, I don't have a goal because I've even thought about going to college because I can't afford it or don't have money for college fees. Then official school registration was opened. When I heard about it, I was interested and joined the list because the official school guarantees that we can immediately get work as well as civil servants. But I cancelled it because there were many things that made me have to cancel it. At first, I was not willing to cancel it because it was the right choice for me. I was almost possession because my parents want me to go to college. On the other hand, I talked about my parents because they said they couldn't afford to fight for me. I cried at night to ask for a solution. After 2 weeks, I was contacted by the school for a scholarship list, namely Afirmasi Dikti. Finally, my plea was granted, and then I took the affirmation scholarship for the higher education. This was my last hope for college, so it wouldn't burden my family. I finally graduated and was grateful because I was tested took a report card. I took the scholarship I chose at the Raja Ali Haji Maritime University, majoring in accounting. The reason I chose accounting is because of trial. After PKKMB Maritime University Raja Ali Haji, and already got a class. Then there are group assessment. When I was divided into groups, I just found out that I was far away where the already understood how to write paper, were proficient at making slides, and had ambition to study in Sanskrit. Therefore, I am still in the process of learning and adding relationship such as learning to make slides on YouTube and joining organization so that I don't fall behind with my friend and sensation with cutting, so that I can understand how to study this course how to design good and make what a beautiful slide. Even though now I am not too much behind with my other classmates, I am still learning until I am satisfied with the process that I had hoped for in preparation for the future. I want to be able to design, how to lead and quickly understand lesson during lecture, because I want to be a person who cannot be a smart person, because smart people can naturally do what other people can do, because nowadays it's true that the highest GPA can get you a job call, but in their what determines is your leadership, your way of communicating, and your leadership spreads. So that's why I want to be a capable person. This is my preparation for the future. I believe the process because the process does not betray the result, and this is my motivation. This is my motivation to be able to increase my enthusiasm during lecture. Thank you very much.